Today marks the actual day, July 10th, 1851, the date that Pacific became California's first university. So we wanted to celebrate it with all of you. Thank you all for coming out. This is an awesome, awesome turnout. There's so much to our history, but at the core of our history is the same mission that we've had for 175 years and that hopefully we will have for the next 175 years. And that is teaching these young people who we bring in all sorts of different disciplines on 3 different campuses, how to be great leaders in their fields for our communities, for our state, for our nation, and for our globe.